Well, I fired up my Ryobi hand vac this morning and it just didn't sound good. Take a listen. Sounds like I've got a bearing problem. So I went online. You cannot buy the motor or bearings or anything. There's no replacement parts other than the stuff for the front and the filters. So I'm going to take it apart and see what's inside. Maybe I can re-lube the bearings or bushings. Maybe I can replace them. We'll find out. So with it apart, this is what you've got. Boy, bunch of crap on that motor. No wonder it's whining. Gonna have to dig a little deeper and see what's going on, but it doesn't look pretty in there. I always thought that the dust was supposed to go into the front cavity, not into the motor. Well, I've got it apart. That does not, I thought that was a nut right there, but it's not. I can't pry this off, but I know it's the bushings. And you get a good hold of it, and that's what you get. So, it definitely is bad. So what I did, I got out my dry slide, which is molybdenum disulfide with a carrier, and I tipped the motor over and I dribbled some on the bushing, and then in there I dribbled some, and it seems to have made quite a difference. That motor gets hot fast, so I'm not going to burn myself again. So I want you to see the difference. You got to hold it pretty good because it takes off. Pretty much like new. However, how long is it going to last? Don't know. All I know now is it is fixed, temporarily. So temporarily at least, it's back in operation. Yes, I could just buy a green one, but I like the way the blue handles and the way it operates. Well, I tried the dry slide for a few days on-off use, and it worked, but towards the end of the third, fourth day, it was back the way it was, that it was beginning to screech. So I needed a thicker, better oil. So I turned to the old favorite 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil. So I put that on, and it definitely runs as good as brand new. So I've had it now for a couple days. It seems to be running fine. Time will tell how much longer it's going to go, but that is an improvement over the dry slide. That was probably a mistake putting that on.